Correct.
Hello, this is Dr. Saud Anwar. We actually want to show you how you can actually use one ventilator to actually give breathing capacity and help to not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but actually 7 people. And we can go up to 8 if we need to, but we wanted to show you at least with 7. And we've been working collaboratively together as a group of people who have from different backgrounds come together. I want to introduce you to Bob. Bob, tell me what you've been up to.
Hi, my name is Robert Conley. I'm the owner of Interactive CAD Solutions. Less than 4 days ago, I got contacted by email if I could help out with coming up with a method of applying 4 hoses from one ventilator to 4 people. First thing I got was a hose from the anesthesiologist, and we did our first trials yesterday. Came out with mixed reviews. We had problems with the ventilators interfering. So I came back, I redesigned it yesterday morning. I sent the files to Kevin Dyer at Interpro Models. He 3D printed this CAD model overnight and supplied this morning. It's very simple. Has 4 filters with a coupling that goes directly to the ventilator. There's no issues with interference between the round filters or the square ones.
Good. So with this concept, what we've been able to do is this actually goes inside the inhalation as well as the exhalation part of the ventilator. And then these are the filters which can come together. This actually has 4 options. So the patient can we can have 4 connectors with one ventilator, and each connector can further be divided into 2 or more branches if we need to. Here we have Marvin. Marvin is a respiratory therapist, my star. You've seen him before do the good work. And what we have been able to do is a few things. I'll take this over here and I'll show you some of the things. So this is the inhalation part of the ventilator, and the ventilators we are using are the Puritan Bennett 840 ventilator system, and we actually have that same thing connected on the inhalation part. This is actually now, if you look, we have the 4 branches, and one of those we actually have put a T-piece and then divided it into 2 pieces, and then each 2 of them are divided into 2 more. So this one outlet is equal to 4, and then 5, 6, 7 patients are connected to this. And then on the exhalation part, again the similar thing, we have a different color for this so that we can separate them out. This is again the filters that we have placed in. Again, you're seeing the T-pieces that we have connected with 2 extra ones and 2 on this side. And then we move forward and then see that there are 3 others that are connected to this. So when you step back, you see all of these different tubes, which are truly confusing, but actually there's a method to this madness. And that method is allowing for us to be able to currently ventilate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 patients, and we could potentially get another one and more so if we needed to. And here's the way to do this. What we have done is, and this is for the pressure control mode, and the inspiratory pressure we have kept at 25. With the inspiratory pressure of 25, we are actually getting a tidal volume of 3,241. Now that number scares you, but you have to divide that by 7 and it comes down to 470 or 450 something, which is exactly what you would want on these patients. So inspiratory pressure of 25 that you set up, and then we're obviously using 21% because we don't want to waste the oxygen in the hospital. And we put a PEEP of 10 and we can go up on the PEEP more so, but each one of these patients are getting a volume based on the exact settings that we have set up, and we are using the pressure control ventilator. And with this mindset, with this strategy, we can actually do ventilation for 7 at this time, but far more. You want to add more?
Nope, that is it. It's just a concept that works in a simulation, and if it comes down to mass casualties, this is a concept that I believe can be tried in the field if need be to have a clinical trial. Good. Concept works.
Now, one more thing I'll just add right now is that we actually did another thing where we were able to lengthen the tubes far more. And even when we lengthened the tubes, we actually did a pressure check on those. And with 20 feet of the tube, the pressure, the volumes were not impacted. So which is pretty fascinating that you can actually have a single ventilator which can go to different places, and we would be able to take